our public schools district supervisor, Mrs. Maria Mel H. Galano, to our school principal, Mrs. Janina Y. Mascarenas, to our guest speaker, Reverend Father Clyde Cabrera Saletero, the faculty and staff of Tubigon West National High School, fellow graduates, proud parents, guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. As I stand before you today, I am filled with a sense of gratitude, pride, and even a touch of disbelief. I can't help but think about how fast time moves. One day, we were walking the school for the first time. Unsure, nervous, wondering where we will fit in. And now, here we are at the end of this chapter, looking back on everything that brought us here. You know, I've been leading this I-class to see clearly. Without this, everything is just a blur, just like what I am seeing right now. And looking back, that's kind of what high school felt like at first. Unclear, uncertain, out of focus. Just as we were beginning to find our place after grade 7, the world shut down. A global pandemic separated us from our classrooms, our teachers, our friends, and the experiences that were supposed to shape us. Suddenly, school became modules, screenshots, and Wi-Fi struggles. Then came the super typhoon, as if life hadn't tested us enough. We continue our face-to-face classes only in grade 10. Older, changed, and a little unsure of how to adjust again. For a long time, it all felt out of focus. But despite the blur, we found clarity. We grew, we learned, we adapted. We found our way, we've seen the light, and now we are ready to take new flight. I want to take a moment to reflect on how far I've come since those first very days of high school. As an introvert student, I never imagined myself joining so many organizations. The Regents and SSLT, to name just a few, that would help shape me into who I am today. I faced a roller coaster of highs and lows, moments of doubt and confusion. But slowly, with every challenge, things came into focus. I realized that life may get blurry, but with the right perspective, with the right people, and the right lens, we find our clarity again. I have doubted myself many times along this journey, but the support I've received from so many people has kept me going. We all know that no journey is taken alone. The strength we find in one another, whether from our friends, our families, or our mentors, has been the foundation of our success. So, on this special day, we would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge those who helped make this achievement possible. First and foremost, we give all thanks and glory to God. His love, guidance, and strength have carried us through every obstacles. We wouldn't be here without Him. To all the parents and guardians of Batch 2025, thank you for being our first teachers, our loudest cheerleaders, and our strongest support systems. Your sacrifices, your love, and even your endless reminders have shaped who we are today. To my own parents, Ma, Pa, your never-ending Cellphone na po, mo nang muhanap ng mata. Kaunsa kung ganiha katoob na. And to my mothers, ayo pa'y maestra kay sundon. Maestra mo tabuko. Sa daycare mo ba? No. It all paid off. You have been my rock, my unwavering support. You believed in me, even when I didn't believe in myself. Thank you for your sacrifices, your endless encouragement, your love, your unwavering financial support, despite the challenges we face. And of course, for this eyeglass. To all the siblings of our batch who tested our patience, stole our chargers, and reminded us what tough love really means. Thank you for being part of our growth. To my sister, my not so biggest enemy, nga sadly Wadere, thank you for challenging me, for pushing me, and for reminding me that I can always do better. We may argue, but I know you're part of the reason I've made it this far. To all the relatives of our batch, titas, titos, cousins, and grandparents, thank you for always being there, quietly cheering in us, always ready to celebrate our wins and lift us during our setbacks. To my relatives, uncles, aunts, cousins on both sides, your presence played a significant role in my confidence. Your love and support are a constant reminder of how lucky I am to have such an amazing family. To all our friends who stood with us through our breakdowns and breakthroughs, thank you for reminding us that we were never alone in this journey. To my own circle, first, the Clown, Jane, Aldrin, Liza, Gwyneth, Meryl, Dave, Nicole, Sheila, Abdil, Rio, thank you for letting me be my truest self. You've been my joy, my safe space, and my biggest source of strength. To my co-members in the Regents and SSLG, what a plot twist you've been in my senior years. From deadlines to programs, we face it all. You've helped shape me into a better leader and person, and I'm forever grateful. To my immersion buddies, Imgang, Christian, Josh, Gabby, and Sheila, thank you for lighting the flame inside of me. For the laughter, the learning, and the memories we built during such a short time. To all our friends from different sections and strands, especially to my grade 12 humility family, thank you for the support, the bonding, and the random beautiful moments we shared. You have made my final year not just bearable, but memorable. To our loved ones who are no longer with us, thank you for watching over us. Your love still fuels us. To our teachers, headed by our school principal, thank you for your unwavering dedication. You did not just teach us lessons, you've helped us see clearly, guiding us when we were lost, shaping us when we were unsure, and pushing us when we couldn't see our own potentials. To Tubigon West National High School, you've been the biggest part of molding our dreams. Thank you for being more than just a school. You've been a home, a training ground, and a place where our blurry dreams slowly found focus. And to everyone who played a role in this achievement, whether big or small, we thank you from the bottom of our hearts. You've helped us see clearly. Before I go any further, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to our esteemed guest speaker, Reverend Father Clyde Cabrera Salitrero, for gracing with us his wisdom and inspiring words today. His journey is a testament to the power of perseverance, hard work, and the values we've all learned during our times in Tubigon West National High School. He has shown us what's possible when we stay committed to our dreams. And we are truly grateful for his presence here today. On behalf of my fellow graduates, I gratefully and wholeheartedly accept his challenge. We accept the call to live meaningfully, to rise with humility, no matter what positions we hold in the future, and to always anchor our journey in self-love and purpose. As we now stand at the edge of a new beginning, let's all carry with us the lessons we've learned, not just from the classrooms, but from each other. There were moments when everything felt out of focus, when we questioned our worth or our place. But together, we learned to look ahead with clarity and courage. We recognize that there are still many challenges ahead. But let's not fear failure. Let's wear it like we wear our glasses, as a tool to see better, think deeper, and grow stronger. Let's remember, it's okay if things are blurry at first. What matters is that we have our glasses. What really matters is that we kept going until we see clearly. Congratulations! May there be countless opportunities in our futures. May we continue to rise above challenges, believe in ourselves, and support one another as we move forward in the future. This is your SSLG President, Jasper Gian Dibar Sinas. Now, signing off. No longer just seeing clearly, but finally seeing who I'm meant to be. Thank you and congratulations to Tubigon West National High School Batch 2025.